We had an occasion where one of our customers was on a shutdown and it was purely driven from a safety decision. So the whole site was shut down and they were asked to prove that they were operating in a safe manner. So they thought they were, they hadn't had any accidents, nothing major had happened on site, but they were told to prove their procedures and their processes and make it critical and visible that they were doing so in a safe way. So we were drafted in on site and we did a reliability-based evaluation on the regulators, and there was a big drive for anti-tamper, for example. So they were unaware of how old or new their regulators were because nothing had been documented. So we were able to go in, tag all their regulators, and there's now a programme in place to replace them all. But obviously with key themes such as anti-whip and anti-tamper.